Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel here at Jeep Beach at Daytona. And we're gonna turn this around so you can see all these Jeeps. There's lots and lots of Jeep right next to the banking here. Ooh, we also got the old decals for the race right there too. That's neat. Look at that. Cool. But we got all the different vendors and all of the different Jeeps lined up. A lot with the Demon engine switched into them and the Hellcat engine.
Okay.
That's really cool. Got some Hankook tires. Good night. Rubicon. Also, this is really cool walking on the race decals. That's neat. Look at these things. Also, how many ducks are we going to see today as well? Ooh, look at those sharks. Wheels. Also, a free Hankook tire donut. Oh, that's a really smart advertisement giveaway. Oh, that's smart. That's a good one. Oh,
1 o'clock.
Ooh, and you can get your ducks. You can even get a Trump duck. Wow, that's cool. That's ducks. Oh yeah, big ducks. They have Trump the duck.
Something like that for the
So that's neat. Yeah. Good night. That is insane. I don't know which I'm excited more about right now, walking on the Daytona 500 stickers or looking at all the Jeeps. Yep. Pretty neat either way. All that stuff. Mm-hmm. That's what's insane.
Just like hitch cover things.
Yep. Wow.
That's crazy.
Ah, Mickey Thompson tires. And wheels. I forgot they made wheels too. That's cool. Nice to see them out here. We got some kind of regular vendors in here selling some cool stuff. What are these? Oh, it's like a mesh cover. Metal mesh. Interesting. I'm gonna guess that might be for grill. I'm not sure. That's pretty cool though. Oh yeah, there it is. Ah, that's neat. Okay. Oh, so you got US Air Force there. Okay, that is some cool modification. I like that. Huh. Definitely found probably the one I would use, or a similar version. That one's good too. All right, that's neat. That's a neat modification. That's cool. Grill covers. Right there. That's neat.
How they did those.
Yep.
Cool.
Ooh, that's a nice paint scheme on the Southlander. Looks good. Cool. Ooh, got the light bars. Oh, that's sweet looking. Oh, nice tire accent there as well for the display. Fishbone off-road. Don't remember a whole lot about those guys, but I know that I've seen them before. It's also nice that you get the guys to get in here as the little craft vendors as well, and then you got all of like the SEMA almost type vendor displays, which is really cool. Got this guy backing in from off of the banking. That's neat. Here we go with some very nice suspension. Nice, like the flex. Ooh, there's some good flex. That is crazy looking. That's insane. Then tire back there is still not even touching. That's cool. Got some different truck bed modifications. So the gun safe, that's pretty cool to be able to have. Oh yeah. some nice options. This is very nice with the red, white, and blue accent color. And then the red accents. That goes good. Nice. Ooh, and then you got the rock lights. Good, like that. This one looks more like a side-by-side than a Jeep. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. So new Jeep meets old and rebuilt to good. Nice. Check out that suspension. Woo-wee. That's a nice suspension under there. Wow. Looks clean too. Nice build. Roll cage. Nice. Ooh, and the green accents on this are very nice too. The nice dark green. Ooh, inside wheel accent. That's cool. We got Hercules tires right here. Definitely some really, really good tires. Enjoy those. See how they look on this Jeep over here. Yep. Nice treads. Yep. Like those. Yep, definitely like Hercules tires. Those things are good. Good grip. Feel really good when it's raining. And also a really good price too. They're definitely more competitive than other tire brands, so I definitely like that.
Is that the cut down on the GMC?
Yep. And I believe this is a twin turbo Jeep. Let me see here. Yep, that's a twin turbo Jeep. Nice. Look at that in there. Oh, and that's got a Ford racing heads on it though. That's a little weird, but that's cool. Got a Toyo tire Gladiator over there. That's cool. Beautiful wheels on the Jeep Conversion Solutions. That's a nice looking mod. Nice tires and wheels. Looks good. Oh, so these are all suction mounted for the most part. Yeah, all suction mounted.
For camping stuff. And you can...
Oh wow, so yeah, you got the little kitchen prep area, you got your drinks, you got your the utensils. I was about to use the fancy word, but I can't speak today. Yeah, that one. That's smart. Nice. Oh, and then you got all your adjustable lighting available to that. That's a nice camping setup.
Pretty cool.
Wow, that's cool. See, we got Team TIS tire. Looks good. Oop, got your coolers with speakers in them. Neat. Ooh, nice color on the Jeep with the mod or the wrap on the side. That looks really, really good. Like it. I'm not sure what this is, but it's got a winch on it. He's definitely hiding, so he's got winch, definitely made for off-road, and the highlights on the wheels are excellent. So that looks good. Like that. So driving mobile media innovation, which I always get this confused with the F1 team. I'm not sure if they're related or not. If you know if the Alpini, whatever they're called, racing team in the F1 is the same thing as this, let me know down in the comments, because I have no clue. Okay, now that's smart. The next, previous, that's funny. That's cool. Ooh, and then you can do on-site installs too. That's also helpful. Ooh, we got General Tire out as well. Ooh, and this is pretty. Nice. The Rebel Edition, Ocean. Okay, that looks very, very good. That is an awesome, yeah. That's an awesome looking Jeep right there. Oh, you also got the Jeep Beach logo going all the way up the pylons. That's really cool. Ooh, somebody with, huh? Oh, sorry. Ooh, the Pear Tree Ranch. Doesn't necessarily look like a pear, but That's a good color. I like the graphics on it too. That's cool. Oh, and the General Tire Jeep looks really, really good too. Have to look at that. Got Iron Man. The Rock. Rubicon looks good. Oh yeah, Rusty's Off-Road Products. Yeah, there's definitely plenty of Jeeps, that's for sure. Got all the MagnaFlow. Very, very cool. And currently we're walking down Pit Road. We also got the Jeep Beach sand carving going on right over there. So that's neat.
That's before grass area.
Yeah. So it looks like they just left this from the dirt bike race. So smart idea. You already have it torn up. Might as well just keep using it. Ooh, nice. NASCAR Foundation's out and about as well. Ooh, we got Fox here.
Have you ever walked up the road?
Oh yeah. Yep. And got to walk across the grass, walk onto the tri-oval.
I've never done the fan zone stuff.
Yeah. So very, very cool. Good night. Tons of modifications and stuff. Yeah.
The NASCAR Foundation has a little dirt driving for the kids.
Oh, that's smart. That is so smart. Ooh, so this Jeep has the elephant in it. Okay. Very nice. Let's see here. We got any? Yep. We got the elephant branding. Da, 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 da. Yep. So the elephant conversion. Nice. 7.0 crate engine. A 3.0 liter blower. Good night. Sweet. Oh, and also got the Hemi tuned long travel coilover suspension. Wow. Okay, so you got 239,000. It's yours. Nice. Okay, that's cool. You definitely wouldn't necessarily know that that's what's in there except for the badging. So that's what's kind of cool to me. Giant ducky. Nice ducky. Very nice ducky. Yep. Very big duck. Could use the facts.
They seem to have fun. But there's not many places to do this except
Exactly.
for many other places other than way outside.
Oh, that's smart. The thing looks good. Ooh, owie. Needs a little bit of shock system. Oh, look at all the ducks hanging in the back. Alrighty guys, so we're right underneath the finish line flag stand right now. And here's the view. It's not too bad. Pretty good actually. Sweet! Yeah!
Day number 2 of the main event and day number 8 of Deep Beach 2024, you guys. All eyes to the sky because we have some birds floating down, y'all. Also known as our Navy SEAL Leapfrog Parachute Team, high in the sky above Daytona International Speedway. Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose frost stripes and bright stars rule the perilous fight. What the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, their bombs bursting air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave? Wow, you guys!
Man, that thing looks good. Alrighty guys, that's it for us here at Jeep Beach at Daytona, the world center of racing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys. Check out the bed shop, subscribe.